हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू #फिटनेस टॉक्स। एंड हम लोग आ चुके हैं आज फिर से बॉडी जोन, और मेरे साथ हैं बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट, बिकॉज उनकी जो जर्नी रही है रिलेटेड टू फिटनेस वो काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग भी रही है, एंड शी इज़ क्वाइट फिट। सो लेट्स आस्क हर अबाउट हर जर्नी एंड व्हाई शी हैज़ चोजन बॉडी जोन। बट पूरी वीडियो देखने से पहले डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब। सो लेट्स वेलकम सना।
हेलो।
So Sana, welcome to our show #fitness talks. So सबसे पहले तो how you have started your fitness journey?
I think I started it around during and post COVID. So obviously during COVID, everyone was inside their houses. Everyone was like locked in. So I feel like the lack of movement really affected like my mental health. And a friend of mine actually recommended joining the gym. So as soon as the restrictions were relaxed, I joined Body Zone because it was the closest gym to my house, and it seemed like the perfect like beginner's gym. So the trainers were very helpful, the equipment was very good, so I decided to join Body Zone, and then slowly I started really getting into fitness. So now I come here almost every day.
Okay. So COVID के time पे you have started, like COVID के बाद.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे जैसे आपने बोला कि it has affected your mental health during that period, and काफ़ी लोगों को उस चीज़ का affect हुआ है. तो
Yeah.
क्या gymming ने help किया?
I feel like gymming or even any like physical activity can really boost your dopamine and your serotonin in the body. So it's like a natural like way of like being happy. Like you don't have to, it's not like detrimental to your body. You're doing something good, you're achieving something. Even if it's the smallest of movements, even if it's just running or jogging, it's still like very good for you, and there's no bad side effects to it. So I feel like physical exercise is always very important for maintaining a good like mental health level.
Okay. So after coming to the gym, after starting after taking a first step towards your fitness, so what were the questions that were there in your mind while you have started? Like मुझसे हो भी पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, or whether I will like this place or not, or am I getting correct training? So what were all the questions?
I mean, I think Body Zone has a very good resources for these kind of questions. So all of the trainers are very helpful. So yeah, during like my first few months, I was obviously very confused about a routine and like how to do certain exercises because I was very new to it. So I took a personal training, and obviously everyone was very welcoming, and everyone starts somewhere. So it's also that attitude that once you start doing something, you will get better at it if you stay consistent. So it's just the habit of staying consistent in something which makes you better.
So another thing which I would like to ask is that nowadays youngsters have a lot of distractions. Like for example, rather than going to the gym when you are already fit, like you do not have any kind of issues related to weight or being active, we tend to spend our time in the activities which are more of leisure. So how do you create that balance and how do you create that discipline?
I think going to the gym is part of a healthy routine. So if you come, it's all about like staying consistent, right? So obviously, if once you start getting into it, this activity will also seem like a leisure activity. It will also become a hobby of yours. So and obviously you're doing something good for yourself at the end of the day. You're not harming yourself, or even if you're already fit or athletic, it's good to maintain that. So yeah, I think coming to the gym and having a good routine and being disciplined is something that we should all kind of incorporate in our life.
And how do you think that Body Zone is different from other gyms?
I think Body Zone is different because first of all, there's so many options for equipment. So there's not like there's going to be just one machine that you have to use. There's going to be so many other options. There's a good training, like you can ask anyone in the gym, and even the normal people who come to the gym, they're also very inspiring. Everyone has started somewhere. Everyone has some there are some people who are extremely fit. There are some people who are just starting, so you don't feel like, oh, I'm out of place here. And yeah, I would say the facilities overall are just really good.
Okay. And do you think that after coming to the gym, what positive effects have you faced in your life apart from the physical transformation?
I would say incorporating gym as part of like a routine makes me have a better lifestyle. So like if I'm going to the gym, then I'm also focused on like eating better. I'm focused on getting more sleep and having like a timetable or a routine. So like waking up on time, like and also having more energy to do things. So ever since starting the gym, I've been more fit. So I have more physical energy to do things. So yeah, overall it's been a good impact.
Okay, so kuch time se we all have been seeing the videos where youngsters, like especially people who are from the age group of 28 to 35, they have been while doing the workouts, they are getting cardiac arrests. On Instagram, there are videos which are getting viral on that aspect. So when you started the gym, or when you have like every day now you come to the gym, so some specific precautions or some specific things which you keep in mind, or the trainers guide you in terms of, so that it is a good and a healthy workout, not something which drains your body.
Yeah, I think something to think of is always, if it's out of your limit, don't try to challenge yourself too much. You know, always take it at a slower pace, because this is something which can also be dangerous to some people. So obviously take slow steps, small steps. Start off with something small, then build yourself towards something challenging. So don't really jump from a challenging thing to another, and obviously do it around people who know what like you're doing. Do it like do it with people who can tell you what you're doing. So yeah.
And why one should not try out a gym without a trainer?
Because in terms of like gym workouts, you can either do something really wrong or something really right. So you can do some exercises which can be, you know, can bring you an injury. You can pull a muscle, you can sprain something. So it's always good to have someone with experience and expertise around you, and to tell you what to do and how to do it. And also a gym routine needs to be formulated very carefully in order to uh, have the most efficiency. So I think having a trainer really helps if you're starting off with your fitness journey.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sana, for
Thank
giving
you.
us your time. And I hope you guys have liked this video. If yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you next time.